How to stop pop-up ads on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop annoying pop-up ads on your Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is to stop pop-ups in Google Chrome. So first, let's check if the pop-ups happen while browsing. So simply open the Google Chrome, and now here, once you're inside the Google Chrome app, have to click or tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the drop down menu, you simply have to tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down, and there you simply have to tap on site settings. Now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down, and there you simply have to tap on the option that says pop-ups and redirects. And now here in this section, make sure it's turned off. And once you have selected that option, or once you have turned off this option, this will block websites from showing pop-ups or redirects you to unwanted pages. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to check for problematic app. So here, if pop-ups appear even when you are not browsing, then it's probably caused by an app. To fix this, you simply have to open the settings app. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you simply have to scroll down and tap on apps. Now here, just tap on manage apps. And here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply scroll down and search for the apps that's causing the ad issue. And here, once you have found the app, a particular app that is causing the problem, or if you found the app that you don't recognize or you didn't install, then you can simply tap on it and then uninstall the app. And here with this, you can repeat this for any app you suspect might be causing the pop-ups, and most of the time removing these apps stops the ad immediately. And that's it. That's how you can stop pop-up ads on Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.